Hey guys, I was gonna go to bed, but I couldn't stop thinking about the seat that I got from Kobe Customs. So before I go to bed, I'm just gonna treat the seat because it looks like, it might have been a little while since it got a little bit of love. So I'm just gonna clean it, treat it just a little bit with some of these wipes, and yeah, that's how I'm gonna end my day today because I'm so excited to have a seat. Having a seat's a big deal. It's kind of like next level. We're going to make it. We're going to make this bike work one piece at a time. We're getting down there. We're really getting down there. Let's just let's just wipe this thing off. Ooh, it's probably going to take a lot of wipes. But let's get some treatment into this thing. Um, Bring this old seat back to life a little bit. We'll treat it with some little higher quality stuff here after a while, I'm sure. But for now, let's just clean it up a little bit. Get under the strap, clean this out. Yeah, I was gonna call it. And I was like, no, think I gotta lay a little something on this thing just to welcome it to its new home. Welcome home seat for 72 CL350. And as you can see, she's pretty dirty. She's pretty dirty. But as long as this seat's hanging out with me, it's never going to be this dirty again. I can guarantee you that. So super happy to have grabbed this seat, and I got it for a great price. I think it was 85 bucks. Got the seat. So price these things out. You can buy custom seats. I mean, you're going to drop a couple $100 on a seat. Not this. And we got an original seat, which I'm really excited about too. So we're just going to wipe this off real quick, and then we'll call it a night, and then we'll treat it right. Another day we'll come back out. The other thing I really like about the seat is that it does have Honda right across the back side of it. Love that. It's beautiful. I do have a leather repair kit to tackle the little tears on the bottom edges. I'm going to look into that. I may actually, because I really do want to do it right, and I don't want to sacrifice the integrity of the seat. I may just bring it to a leather shop, see what they can do with it. I'm thinking that, it's totally fixable. But I'm surprised how tight it is, And it's real clean. And yeah, I'm still knocking tons of dirt off. So this will be a hell of a process. The bottom pan isn't really bad at all either. So that's cool. We can clean, not much cleanup has to go on down here. Just a little bit of sanding, a little bit of spot spray on the black. The hinges are still here. Yeah, we're just giving it a quick wipe, showing off the old seat. Dude, it's going to take a lot of work. I also, am dipping some stuff in evapor rust, working through some other parts. And I think I got real close on the color match as well on the tank. So if we just dip you over here real quick, here's that awesome tank. And there's that side cover. So I don't think we get much closer than that. Looks really, 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 really good. Just a short video tonight, guys. Thanks for watching. When you get parts, you got to start cleaning them up. And there it is. Seat 1972 CL350 in great shape. Thanks to Kobe Customs eBay store on eBay out of Mankato, Minnesota. If you enjoy the videos, follow along. Subscribe to the channel. Give a thumbs up to the videos that you like. Also follow along on Instagram and Twitter at BV Matson. See you in the next video.